Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial, and today we're gonna show you how to do a wrapper in Infinite Craft. This is very easy. All you have to do is follow step by step. So firstly, we're gonna start with earth and then water to have plant. Now we add wind to have dandelion. And then we add water to have wine, and wind to have balloon, and fire to have pop. Put it aside. We add earth, and then wind to have dust, and then plant to have pollen. Now we add water to the pollen to have honey. Put the honey to the pop to have hip hop. Then we add wind to have rap, and add balloon. Now we have wrapper. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching.